Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a clean with me my evening routine for Sunday night. I usually try to do this almost every night, but at least I like to do this on Sunday nights where we can get ready for our week and just have everything prepared and clean for a fresh week ahead. So if you want to see what I do, just keep on watching. So I'm starting off with the dishes. I usually like to start in the kitchen just because that's where I've always started. So I'm doing the dishes, cleaning up after dinner, and then we're going to move on to picking up the living room, vacuuming and mopping. And yeah, I'm pretty much just going to let y'all watch from here and just enjoy the music. I hope you guys enjoy.
But this time it's not about escaping. We don't feel like it. We don't feel like it. 'Cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. We don't feel like it. We both have thoughts of leaving when thoughts get thrown around. But we keep going on believing, and on till we're all cried out. 'Cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. We don't feel like it. But this time it's not about escaping. We don't feel like it. We don't feel like it. 'Cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. We don't feel like it. escaping. We don't feel like it. We don't feel like it. Cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. We don't feel like it. We both have thoughts of leaving when thoughts get thrown around. But we keep going on believing, and on till we're all cried out. Cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. We don't feel like it. But this time it's not about escaping. We don't feel like it. We don't feel like it. Cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. We don't feel like it.
I know it's been a while. I know you're thinking the same, but I've been feeling like
I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope that you will subscribe to my channel as well as like the video. I hope to see you guys in my next cleaning video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!